Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make Gmail dark mode. Also, if you want to know how to be more productive online, make sure to check our free productivity resources below and also sign up for our free productivity newsletter. But now let's see how to make Gmail dark mode. So go to Gmail in your web browser and in the top right corner click the gear icon and then click See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down until you find the Theme section. Click Set Theme. In the theme gallery, scroll down and select the dark theme. Click Save, and that's it. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make Gmail dark mode. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to check out our AI productivity prompt database that you can download for free and which contains over 1,100 plus AI prompts that can help you to improve your personal and work productivity. Also, we have a free weekly productivity newsletter that you can sign up for below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post, which you can also find in the video description below.